G'day, welcome to the Moto Project. In this particular video, I'm going to show you the installation of a pretty cool device. It comes in a pair of items, and it's something that I've had my eye on for quite some time. What it is the switching panels that you see in World Superbike racing and MotoGP and predominantly racing bikes. But these particular items come in street legal version as well for this BMW S1000RR. So what that means is the switching panel gives you all the functionality that you would normally see on a race bike, but it also includes the indicator switches as well as the high and low beam switch. So this particular brand that we're looking at is made by Jet Prime, an Italian company. And you'll see these fitted to a number of World Superbike racing machines, including the Althea BMW World Superbike entry. Now, the first thing that grabs your attention is that the quality of the machining. These are, they're just gorgeous. I don't know if you're like me and if you like engineered pieces of machinery, right? You run your hands over this, they are superb. Okay, so super high quality, real simple wiring mechanism where they join together and then plug into the bike. And they've got plain English marks on top of these to indicate which is which. So there's a little bit of learning associated with the operation of these, but in this video, as I said, we're just going to install them and have a look at them. Now, you get two pieces to install. You get the left-hand switch, which has got most of the buttons associated with it, and you get the right-hand switch, which goes on the handlebar near the throttle. As we fit these, there are a couple of little issues associated with them. The first thing you need to be aware of is these ones do not come with cruise control on them, nor do they come with heated grip switching. So if you're going to fit these to, a 2015, 2016 model like this particular bike is, these switches are going to take, you're not going to retain your cruise control or your heated switches. So let's just fit them and we'll run through a couple of things associated with how you install these. So here you have it, the final product. Left-hand switch attached to the S1000RR. Looks pretty good. The wires are tidied away. They cross over underneath the triple clamp and join to the right-hand switch, which is located close to the throttle. Now you'll notice a little aluminium bracket that we've attached to the bar between the throttle and the switch. That's to just conceal a bit of the gap that's left behind. But overall, they're extremely functional. If you're happy to lose your cruise control and heated grips, and on a racetrack most of that's not going to apply, then you've got a great setup here for the first phase of creating a superbike.